Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys simple but effective strategies that I use to take some trend in Boom 500 guys. In today's video, I'm going to be using Boom 500 for the video guys, and I'm going to be showing you guys the strategy that I use to catch trend in the market using Boom. This strategy is 100% accuracy guys. Now before me showing you guys strategy, please guys subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new strategy, you guys will be aware. And also guys, please write something in the comment section so I can see anything in the comment section. You can ask me to do another video specific on what you guys ask me, or just type anything in the comment section guys. I really appreciate you guys doing that. Now let's proceed with the strategy guys. Now this strategy contains two things guys. The first thing is showing you guys head and shoulder, and the second strategy is the confirmation that you need to see. It's confirmation you need to see before taking the entry guys. Now as you can see here, be catching this long trend in the market guys. Now how do I know that the market is going to the downside guys? Now the first thing I see is market coming to the downside. Market coming to the downside guys. You can see here coming to the downside, take a little spike up and then come to the downside guys. Now this is what I use to spot the entry guys. Now as you can see here, this is the reactive zone guys. The market is failing to break this zone over here guys. Now the market first caught trend down, forming double bottom and then trend up, spike up. Now take the trend down and then in the same zone over here, finding it difficult to break the zone over here, then spike again to this zone over here, showing us head and shoulder. This is the head guys. This is first shoulder here guys. This is the head guys, and this is second shoulder here. I know you guys might not get this strategy, but because all of us know that showing head and shoulder, this is how head and shoulder look like. This is how head and shoulder look like, but this one is just only having one legs, but have the head and shoulder guys. But have the head and shoulder. This is the first head and this second head. Now what you need to wait for is the market just to break this zone over here guys. After breaking the zone, you can try to enter guys. Try to enter and set your TP above this area guys, above this area, maybe with one candle. I'm using 5 minutes guys, with one candle guys. Now after the market now break this zone over here, you can see here this market forming armor guys. This candlestick pattern guys, forming armor and then trend to the downside guys. Now let me show you another strategy guys. This strategy is the right strategy guys. Now you can see here, you can see here the market do what? Trend up, spike over here, trend up, spike over here, trend up, and then trend to the downside. But and also it completes this one over here. Let's just scroll a little bit. You can see, yeah, completed the leg. You can see it completed the leg now guys. Now you can see here the market first start from here. Leg first start from here. Start from here guys. Starting from here guys. You can see here guys. Starts from here, but not reaching this leg before crashing up guys, before spiking up. Now what you see here is the first zone, first head over here guys, and the first shoulder here guys, and the head and the second shoulder. Now the confirmation, the first confirmation you see guys is market not breaking the first head, If it's a weak break, it is a valid, but if the candle break guys, the setup is not valid anymore. But the market now spike to the upside to the first head, to the first edge guys, the first shoulder guys, Now you can see the market not reaching the first shoulder, but as you can see the wick reach the first shoulder, the wick reach the candle before spiking to the downside. Now that gives us that the setup is valid guys. Now after spiking up, come a little down, spike again, and then come to the downside, breaking this zone over here, guys, and then come back to the test and then start crashing down, guys. As you can see, this strategy, guys, this strategy, guys, is very, very effective, and it's 100% accuracy. We can use what I told you in this video, guys. It's very 100% accuracy, guys. Now, if you find this video helpful, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also turn on the notification bell. And also, guys, I really appreciate you guys comment to this channel, guys. Now, thank you, guys. See you in the next video.